Yun no, okay, so alright mga katinta. Nandito ako sa bubong ng aming kapitbahay. So may gagawin ho tayong project. So bali pagkatapos ho nating magtinda, pakakuha natin ng isda galing sa Pandawan, ang gagawin ho natin, gagawa ho tayo ng gate dito sa tapat ng aming bahay. At ito yung gagawin natin. So ito yung gagawa natin ng gate, pintuan. So nilagyan lang nila ng harang para hindi makapasok yung asong si Wanda, yung husky, at ganitong bakal lang gagawin natin, square bar. So gagawin natin yan ng pintuan. So kukuha na natin ng sukat. So yan, umpisa na natin kunan ng sukat.
And I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again.
Yan, at ito na yung sukat na gagawin natin. So 63 cm. At saka yung ito yung lapad at ito yung taas niya ay 104 cm. So yan ang gagawin natin. At yung design, ako nang bahala niyan. At doon ko na yan bubuin sa amin. At syempre susunod natin pagkatapos na ito, ito pipinturahan natin to, itong mga grills na ito. So lahat yan grills na yan, pipinturahan natin yan. So ito yung paikot, pinturahan natin yan. At dahil medyo luma na yung kinakalawang na, hindi niya nilagyan ng ng tawag dito ng epoxy primer, yung pambakal na yung gumawa nito, kontrata lang kasi ito. So hindi nila ito nilagyan ng ng epoxy primer, ordinaryong pintura lang, kaya yan madaling kapitan ng kalawang. So babakbakin natin yan, tapos alisin natin yung mga dumulubo kalawang, agrinderin natin, saka natin pipinturahan ng panibago. So yan, malaki-laki ito, masyadong malaki ito. So meron pa yan sa baba, pati yung gate. Yun ang bahay namin. Ayun yung bahay namin. Yun. Yung maraming sinampay, yun ang bahay namin. Tara, baba na tayo. Umpisa na natin. Kasama din to sa pipinturahan. So yan. Yun ito yung aso para hindi makapasok. Wanda. Ayan. So pati yan gate na yan. So yun, main gate. So pipinturahan natin yan. Pati ito, so pipinturahan din natin to. So kasama din to sa pipinturahan natin, at yung mga grills. So ito guys, pipinturahan natin ito. So bali ang mangyayari, si Mrs. muna ang nagtitinda, kukunan ko lang siya ng isda, at ako'y tatrabaho muna para sa ekonomiya. Kailangan natin ng diskarte talaga para sa pamilya.
And I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this real? lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. There's been the happening. I can't believe it's true. I'm just
Yun, okay, so right mga katinta, at nagawa na natin. Ito na yung ano natin, yung ginawa natin gate. So, kakabit na natin siya dito. Gagamitan natin siya nitong cylindrical. So ayan, kakabit na natin. Alright.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Alright, naglagay tayo ng ganito para meron tayong lagayan ng lock. So ito yung lalagay nating lock. Yan. Lapit na. So maya maya lang tapos na to. Bali ginawa lang natin to ng half day. Kalating araw lang natin to ginawa. So, maliit lang kasi naman siya. Kaya madali lang gawin.